Hello everyone, this is Coach Carol, and today I want to share with you some of my favourite experts on family history research. So I'm going to share some sites with you and introduce you to some of those people and their guides and resources that you might also find useful for yourselves. If you need to have more information from me at any stage, then feel free to go across to my website at coachcarolonline.com, and there you'll find my blogs and my courses and some specials for you. But today it's all about sharing the experts. One of the things that I like to do is use Ancestry.com for my family history research. And there's a wealth of information in the ancestry.com.au website that will help you with your learning about family history. On this page, you'll note we're in the Learning Centre. And if your favourite style of learning is using pages from websites that you can read in your own time, then this is the place to go. Just a couple that I've picked out for you today that include the beginner's questions answered and some family history made easy step-by-steps. So I've got those here ready for you. And in this first one, the beginner's questions, specifically for Australian research, include the questions that are shown below from the first one, can I have my family history? Right down to what is Granddad's age on his death certificate? And if you scroll, you will simply find some information that you can read about each of those questions. A tip from me, you might want to copy one of those questions and paste it into Google and see what you come up with. The next one is one of those places in Learning Centre that you can go to for the 10 top tips in family history research. And here there are 10 tips that you can read about that will help you in your research, from talking to your elderly relatives down to joining a family history society. Once again, these are in text and there for you to read at your leisure. The next step you might want to take, this is especially for those who prefer their learning in a visual format. In Ancestry Academy, they give you a series of 5-minute finds. So if your time is short and you would like to have some very quick overviews of particular aspects of ancestry, you'll find them all here. And a few that I picked out that you will find of use include vital records for births. There's also the Ancestry's card catalogue and a few others that you will find very useful as a beginner genealogist. There's quite a lot there to sift through, so you'll go to ancestryacademy.com/5-minute finds. Now, if you're interested in more visual resources for your learning, then where better to go to than YouTube? Yes, Ancestry does have its own channel here on YouTube, and so does this particular person, Connie Knox. She has the Genealogy TV channel, which I also thoroughly recommend for you. These are short, 10 to 15-minute videos that Connie has prepared for you on all different aspects of either ancestry or family research in general. Then in YouTube, if you wanted to go further into the Ancestry provided video tutorials, then look no further than those from Krista Cowan, the Barefoot Genealogist. She's one of my favourite tutors. I like listening to her video tutorials. These are a bit longer, usually around 30 to 40 minutes. So you'll need to schedule some time in your day for these. But I'm sure you'll enjoy these from Krista. She has a wealth of knowledge specifically about ancestry. Then if you're really wanting